The Assistance to Free Economy NGO held an exhibition of photos and video footage of the recent housing demolitions in Baku at the Parkin Hotel. Nearly 40 photos from 2010 and 2011 years were displayed, showing Fizuli and Shamsi Badarbeli streets and Flag Square area where the demolitions have been most severe. The photos also show how citizens were evicted from their houses and incidents of police violence and the construction companies involved. NGO Director Zohrab Ismail said that to date 4,000 houses have been demolished in Baku. This is not a final figure as demolitions are ongoing. Video footage showed cases of the property right violation in Sumgayit and Ganja as well as Baku. There has been an intensive demolition process across country since 2006. The state began investing its vast oil revenues on an urban beautification and reconstruction initiative, which sadly has led to a number of Baku residents losing their homes. When a resident refuses to sell their apartment, he or she may face pressure and violence. Construction companies with interest in the demolitions may deliberately cause damages to their apartments. Such acts are not punished under due legal process, and police investigations are ineffective. The rights of citizens are violated and the state fails to protect them.